tip is about intimacy. Intimacy, often referred to as into me I see. And the point about intimacy is, and it's what lifelong relationships are based on, by the way, is intimacy. The difference between really, really good friends and a lifelong relationship is intimacy. And intimacy means that you and your partner can see each other deeply, more deeply than anybody else can. And because of that, it brings up all the deepest issues you've got. In fact, there's a lot of issues that will come up when you're in an intimate relationship that won't come up anywhere else. And that's the bad side. The good side is it's also an opportunity to deal with yourself more profoundly than ever before. That's the value of intimacy. That's why people want to get together. And in a relationship, the tip is accept this. Accept the fact that your relationship is going to bring up the most deepest and profound difficulties you have to deal with. And when you accept that, it makes a big difference, because otherwise you go along and say, oh my God, isn't this unlucky? I've married the wrong person. I've got this real problems come up because since I've been married to this person, I must have done it wrong. Right, that is incorrect. You're getting that because you've married the right person, and they brought up the most deepest issues you've got to deal with. And when people bail out, and they often do, that's why we've got such a high divorce rate. When people bail out, what normally happens is they go and find another intimate relationship to be in, because we've all got that desire to be intimately connected with someone. They find another intimate relationship to be connected to, and what happens? The same thing, because the same issues come up for them, because it's not the other person who's got the issues. The other person is just triggering these issues in you. That's all. And so, of course, when you leave this other person, of course it's going to come up in the next relationship, because when you leave the other person, you come with yourself. You don't stay there. You don't leave the issues behind. They're yours. They're yours, and they're yours to grow and develop. That's the value of them. I love intimacy. I really do.